Hi, Mr. Kennedy. You've sent me 2 watches, and this is the first video for the first one. You sent me a Bell-matic. Yours it's in nice condition. This was, I believe, this was your dad's, and he gave it up when the bracelet cut out on him. That's a lot of wear. I can replace that pin, so that's not a problem. Now that's strange. Is your dial, are your dial feet broken? Straight up and down? I don't know why your day and date aren't aligned. Because these have a tendency to lose dial feet. You might have lost a dial foot on this one. Maybe not. I hope not. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's just a little bit of an alignment and I can move the dial up. But we'll see. This is one of the models that tends to lose dial feet. Got a little bit of patina on the your minute or your hour hand. A little too on the. I can clean that up. That's not a big deal. Definitely was worn. Wasn't abused though. That comes right off. I don't see any servicing marks. Boy, these are fantastic movements. These are just so cool. Okay, its automatic winding is going well. Movement's dirty. We know your alarm works. Yeah, your winding bridge is definitely loosening up some. You can see it's hitting on this hitting on the edge of this bridge here, the weight as it comes around. Yeah, and here too. Might want to look into a replacement bridge, assuming I have one that's better. Because, well, actually, these you can just replace the ball bearing mechanism. You don't have to replace the whole bridge. But of course, that part is long out of production. So we'll have to see. I'll check and see. I don't think it's that bad, but I will check and see if I've got something better when the time comes. I'm going to have to chase down a crystal for this one. That one's pretty hacked up. It's a good watch. I think lived working life. Okay. All right. Yep. Okay, sounds good. Let me know what questions you've got.